Hello, you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video explains how to create a Telegram account. Once you download your Telegram app from Google Play Store, you click on the app. So now once you click on the app, to get started, you now click on Start Messaging. So once you click on Start Messaging, you see a provision to select your country, the first option. In my own case, I'll be selecting Nigeria. So now once you select your country, you now proceed and you input your phone number right away. Then you now click on yes. Then they will now ask you if the phone number is correct. You click on OK. And you now, they said that you should please allow Telegram to receive call. So you just click on OK. And then you now click on allow. So then I'll say choose a login detail. So now I will proceed and I'll be inputting my Gmail right away. So you now proceed. Then they now says you go with the verification code. Okay, now the verification code sent to your Gmail. So let me just slide down and see. So now they will verify your phone number with the call, and meanwhile, do not accept the call. So now this process will continue automatically. So now let's wait for the system. So now you now proceed and you enter your first name. So now let's enter the first name, which is so this is my first name. So once you're done entering your first name, you now proceed. Use the arrow key. And then you now receive a welcome message that you are welcome to Telegram. You proceed and click on continue. You click on allow. And then your account is set. This is how to create a Telegram account. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.